Temperatures. We got used to the warmth yesterday. Hopefully you got out and enjoyed it because things will be changing. Still a warm morning out there. Not bad at all. Taking you looking over Cedar Hill. You can see Joe Pool Lake there off in the darkness here this morning. As the sun comes up, we will see temperatures warming a few degrees. We do have the gusty south winds for now, but that's going to be changing a little later this morning too. Now we're looking at those temperatures on the mild side heading out to Denton at 52, 56 heading over to Fort Worth. We'll have those upper 50s heading on out to Mesquite and Rockwall, both at 56 as well here this morning. So if you're getting out now's the time to do it before temperatures start to get chilly later today between 7 and 9 o'clock here this morning. Not going to have any issues for us at all. Now we can't rule out just a few little sprinkles perhaps and some light showers, especially as that front moves on through today. We may squeeze out a little rain, so don't be surprised if you see that. But the bigger story will be the cooler air that begins to move in. Those gusty north winds by midday getting into the afternoon. Then that Arctic air plunges into North Texas later on tonight and tomorrow. Now we will see maybe some wintry precip down into the hill country south of Waco, getting down toward Austin, San Antonio, maybe our far southern counties. Can't rule out some light wintry precip, but the story will be those temperatures as we head into this afternoon. We'll be in the upper 30s late this afternoon, right around 50 degrees heading over toward Fort Worth and Dallas by the time you come home later on today, around 4 or 5 o'clock later today with those north winds. Overnight lows this time tomorrow morning, we're going to be looking at some low and mid 20s area wide. And when we factor in those brisk north winds, we'll have some single digit wind chills heading out the door for tomorrow morning. It may feel like 8 to 9 above McKinney up towards Sherman. Will be in the low middle teens here in Fort Worth and Dallas for tomorrow morning. Now, as we look at the highs for the rest of the week, it stays chilly. We'll be falling from the upper 50s today. Won't get out of the 30s tomorrow, and then we'll try to warm up, but it stays chilly even as we get into the weekend there on Saturday. We'll still be in the upper 40s and upper 50s, close to normal for us as we head into Sunday. A brief warm up there as we get into next week. On Monday, we'll be back into the 60s. But then we'll have another chance for some rain and some chillier temperatures move back in as we head toward the middle of next week.